Thank you for choosing the Bruno MD6 multifunctional monitoring system. This system measures both blood glucose and beta-ketones, and you can use it to test your levels anywhere, anytime. Your system should include these items: the paper manuals, the Bruno MD6 booklet Quick User Guide, the Quick Start User Guide. This is a fast visual reference to demonstrate how to quickly get you up and running. Don't forget to fill out and mail in your registration card to initiate your 5-year warranty. Lancing device instructions. Inside of your handy carrying case, you should have these items: your multifunctional monitoring system, 2 AAA batteries, your lancing device, 10 free lancets for your device. You can also download the free mobile app from wherever you download apps. To get your free app, launch the App Store on your phone. Search for Bruno MD6 and install the app. You can also register your product easily here from inside of the app. Test strips for beta-ketones, additional lancets, and blood glucose test strips can be purchased by visiting our Amazon store. You can find out more information online inside our Amazon store.